Obureberezi bwa West Rwenzori bakatandikaho mu kwezi kwa munana umwaka ugwire kandi ubwe burukusharwa aha bwa Rwenzori Diocese. Right Reverend Barnabas Biishopu or Bishop obureberezi bwa West Rwenzori Diocese ni ayehanagiriize eminyeto ngo betantaro kwejumbiro mu bikorwa by'ubushambani.
Mind about their lifestyle. Just of recently it has been discovered that HIV/AIDS is at increase. And especially the most affected people are the teenagers. I want to appeal to our children that you eat a mango when it is ripe. They should wait until they have finished studies. They will get married at a right full time.
Reverend Bwambare or parish priest wa Bundibugyo Church of Uganda wibwanyuma y'okutungo bwa kidiko na shabira abantu kubakora namani okurebaka ngo bayongera hantasi y'amaka gabo.
Getting an archdiaconal status is another load. This implies that Christians, we need to work hard. We need to plant food crop for commercial and for consumption.
Members in the community to embrace peace, because where there is peace, there is development.
When the parent goes back late after drinking, when he has got drunk, he can't know whether the children are at home or not. So, drinking is one thing.
Abaronde nkaga na munana nubo batirwe hemukona ha mukorogo.
Oba hebise bebulyo mweguru. Oba gumina mwe wayikiriye.
Omugandi abaturage bashabirwe kongera kwejumbira mu program za government babana benda kwetungura ebe nebindi bagambirwe izoba lya nyuma bazyo omuri kanjunjo mugombora ya Cyabujimbi omuri Gara East.
Ejo nenkora government etireho okugira ngo entunguka etandikira hamuruka ejenene hembomoro ekagombora eka district ekena hihanga ryona hasa kwa ubwi ushange buri muntu ayinentasya
Gwene chimwe yakore kuratemura ngo shitisa president Museveni na mwana muzana mpira na mwabana muzara abana mumanye bari gukora shomesa abana bakashoma ekeka tunguka mukagenda bisho.
Abaturage beshicwekeci borekero kwirarikira habwa bebembezi abaruko bururu bitu bakabuzamisho
kashumbe nkaba MP owarabire mu naye MP w'abachara yarabire mu mwaka gwahurira karabamu ka abandi tinkarebere yabembeza abandi abahigura bizire
ikabebembezi bitu twahiro buru tubine kibatu yambiri tentero buru ko katugaruka kureba mwebembezi wena
mungume mu constituency je Gara East ndikwegesa abantu program zayo cyo kubanza no kwenda koreka government na nabantu ngo wano kuragana government kurunji na nabantu bamba babino gwaje na ni hara intunguka kandi no baje muno
omukoro guhendirena no kwiguraho impaka zompira ahabwe eminyeto y'ecangeki amakuru agagasha kwa Gilbert Mahanguzi na Onesimus Ndiyanabo.